Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add filters during WhatsApp video call on your mobile phone. So as you can see, this is my basically WhatsApp business account, and if you have not updated the application, make sure to go to the App Store or Play Store and just download the latest version of the WhatsApp. Either it is simple WhatsApp or the WhatsApp business, that is not a problem. So as you can see, like I have a newer version, but this is working on my current version as well. So from here, what you need to do is just click on the video call option if you have opened the number, and once you click on the video call option and your calls get connected, so you will be seeing a filter option with your camera. This will be basically a pencil type emoji. I will attach a screenshot of it so you can see, and once you click there, you will be able to add the filters in your WhatsApp video call. And if you're not able to do it, just make sure to go back to the App Store or Play Store and update the latest version of the application. And once downloaded, you will be able to do it easily. And that is a simple and easy process of how you can add WhatsApp filters in video call.